Welcome to the slides on Chapter 15. Now, these slides will actually be starting after material covered from the very first day. So make sure you have your notes from class that'll cover basic things including electric charge. What we're going to talk about today is electric field stuff mostly. So we'll talk about what is an electric field, and we'll talk about some electric fields of some particular objects, like electric dipole. This means a positive and negative charge of equal strength nearby each other. A infinitely large plate uniformly filled with charge, or two of those with opposite charge, and which will mimic an object called a capacitor, which we'll talk about in several later chapters. And we'll also talk about something called electric flux. And electric flux is going to be introduced so we can have Gauss's law. Now, Gauss's law is a way of finding the electric field of certain different objects. So what we have generally is we'll give you different formulas for each of these cases. What's the electric field of, say, an infinite plate, or a long straight set of charges? Gauss's law is the way at which those formulas come from. So the output of Gauss's law is these formulas. So you typically don't use Gauss's law in a lot of the problems we have, but Gauss's law is behind them. So we'll introduce what it is and how do you use it. I'll give you some examples, but it's not something necessarily I would typically make you do on a quiz or test you directly on.